Hi class, welcome to Intro to Tech Writing. This will be a really quick video just to introduce you to the course and to show you how to best navigate the course. And so, as I'm sure we're all aware, we have moved to Canvas now. You can find announcements here. I'm going to go to student view first. All right. You can find announcements here. You should also find these. This should also come to your email. One thing you want to do is make sure you're checking your email at least once a day because that's our primary mode of communication. This course is asynchronous, meaning that we will not have video conference calls or Zoom calls. Instead, we do everything online, primarily through discussion. If by chance you all feel we need one, we can certainly schedule one, but it isn't already embedded in the course content. So the course is set up on modules. So each week you'll see, the week's module, week 1, and so on and so forth. I suggest that at the beginning of the week you go through and open the modules. Our courses run Sunday through Sunday, so it's an 8-day week. Because class started on Tuesday this week, obviously we started on Tuesday. But our week 1 runs Tuesday through Sunday this week, and then Sunday through Sunday for subsequent weeks. Our course syllabus is here. You can also find it here. We are using 2 open source textbooks, so you do not need to purchase one. One is called Technical Writing, the other is called Technical Writing Essentials. For this week, if you could read Chapter 2 in Tech Writing and Chapter 1 in Technical Writing Essentials, that would be great. I will get week 2 module posted sometime today. If you want to get a head start, all we have this week is reading and watching this video, and then doing an introduction post. But our actual writing assignments begin next week. And so if you want to get a jump start, you most certainly can, because those are already posted. And so then we have our syllabus, as I mentioned. This is where you can find our discussions. In the modules, I will have everything linked to the assignments. So, if you want to just get to the introduction discussion, that way you can, or you can click here on discussions. But this is just introduction. If you could just kind of tell us who you are, post that by Sunday, that would be phenomenal. Assignments, you can either show those by date or you can show by type. I like to show by type. We have our discussion forum due on the 7th. For the letter memo assignment, you have your working draft due on the 9th, which is Tuesday. This is a 2-document assignment, so you'll be drafting a letter and you'll be drafting a memo. Peer review on the 11th, and then final draft is due Sunday. If you look at our course syllabus, you will see that each week sort of follows this format. And so you have a working draft due on Tuesday, peer review due Thursday, final draft due Sunday. Okay, so this gives you more instruction about the assignment. This tells you what to do for your peer review. And then, final draft. For your working draft, you are expected to turn in a full working draft. The letter is a page, the memo is a page. And so you want to submit a full working draft for those 2. And then you will be assigned peer reviews. I will assign peer reviews on Wednesday morning after I receive your working drafts. So it's very important that you turn those in completely and on time so that you give your peer review partner something, enough content to review. Additionally, if you fail to turn in on time, first thing Wednesday morning, I assign peer review partners. If you come back and turn it in Wednesday, then I've already assigned partners, and then it's going back and trying to rejuggle. So let's just really try to get everything in on time, so we don't get zeros for those. All right, one last thing. Go to our syllabus. All right, so you can read through all this on your own, but as you see, beginning week 2, we have letter and memo, working draft, peer review, final draft. Week 3, definition, description, or instructions, working draft, peer review, final draft, and so on and so forth. It just sort of follows that format. I'll get everything posted early in case you want to get ahead, especially when the content gets a little more meaty in weeks 3 and 4. Here are our textbooks. I don't know if I can open this in a new page. It may just take me to a new page anyway. Let's see. So technical writing essentials is one. You can download it. You can read it here. And then technical writing is the other. And so for week 2, you'll want to read this particular chapter on memos, and then the one on letters. And this shows you kind of how to format a memo. And then we'll go to letters. And same thing. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, and then you'll be writing, you can write a letter of inquiry, or you can write a complaint letter, but that information is in the assignment. But if you have any questions, please just let me know, and I'll talk to you later.